Welcome to Animal Realm, your ultimate destination for all things wild. Let's know about the ostrich, the world's largest and heaviest bird, known for its inability to fly and its remarkable running speed. Native to Africa, this unique bird belongs to the ratite family, which includes other large, flightless birds such as the emu, cassowary, and kiwi. Size and weight. The ostrich is undeniably impressive in size. Adult males can stand between 7 to 9 feet tall, 2.1 to 2.7 meters, with some individuals even reaching 9.5 feet, 2.9 meters. Females are generally shorter, standing around 5.7 to 6.6 feet, 1.7 to 2 meters tall. The weight of an adult ostrich can range between 220 to 290 pounds, 100 to 130 kilograms, making it the heaviest bird in the world. Feathers and plumage. One of the most noticeable features of the ostrich is its plumage. Male ostriches are characterized by black feathers with white-tipped wings and tails. In contrast, female and juvenile ostriches have more subdued grayish-brown feathers, which serve as effective camouflage in their natural environments. Despite their large size and impressive feathers, ostriches are flightless due to their small wing size relative to their body mass. However, their wings are still useful for balance when running and for courtship displays. Legs and feet. Ostriches are built for running, thanks to their long, powerful legs. They have 2 toes on each foot, a feature unique among birds. The larger toe, equipped with a sharp claw, resembles a hoof and provides additional traction when the bird runs. These legs are muscular and built for endurance, allowing the ostrich to sprint at speeds of up to 43 miles per hour, 70 kilometers per hour, for short distances and maintain a steady pace of around 31 miles per hour, 50 kilometers per hour, over longer distances. This speed helps ostriches evade predators and cover large distances in search of food. Head and neck. The ostrich's long neck and small head are covered in sparse downy feathers. Its large eyes, which are among the largest of any land animal, measure around 2 inches, 5 centimeters, in diameter. These large eyes provide excellent vision, which is crucial for spotting predators in the open savannas where they live. The ostrich also has a strong beak, which it uses to forage for food. Habitat and distribution. Ostriches are native to the open savannas and semi-arid regions of Africa. Historically, their range extended across much of Africa and even into parts of the Middle East. Today, however, wild populations are primarily concentrated in sub-Saharan Africa. There are 2 subspecies of ostriches, the common ostrich, Struthio camelus, and the Somali ostrich, Struthio molybdophanes. The common ostrich inhabits a wide range of environments, from dry savannas to woodlands, and is found across several African countries, including Namibia, Botswana, South Africa, and parts of East Africa. The Somali ostrich is found in the Horn of Africa, primarily in Ethiopia, Somalia, and Kenya. These birds prefer open landscapes with sparse vegetation, where they can spot predators from a distance and use their speed to escape. Behavior and adaptations. Social structure. Ostriches are social animals, often living in groups called herds or flocks. These groups typically consist of 5 to 50 individuals, although larger gatherings may occur in areas with abundant food. Within a group, ostriches maintain a loose social hierarchy, with dominant males and females leading the flock. Group living provides ostriches with several advantages. First, there is safety in numbers. A group of ostriches has a better chance of spotting predators, such as lions or hyenas, than a solitary bird would. Additionally, ostriches often form symbiotic relationships with other herbivores, such as zebras and antelopes, which also benefit from the ostrich's keen eyesight. Communication. Ostriches communicate with each other through a variety of vocalizations and body language. Males are particularly vocal during the breeding season, producing a deep booming call to attract females and assert dominance over rivals. Other sounds include hissing, snorting, and whistling, which are used to express alarm or warning. Ostriches also use their wings and posture to communicate. For example, males will spread their wings wide and fluff their feathers during courtship displays to impress females. Thermoregulation. Living in hot environments poses challenges for ostriches, but they are well adapted to regulate their body temperature. During the heat of the day, they will often rest in the shade with their wings spread to allow air to circulate and cool their bodies. In cooler conditions, ostriches will fluff their feathers to trap warm air close to their skin, insulating themselves against the cold. Diet and feeding habits. Ostriches are omnivores, meaning they consume both plant and animal matter. Their diet consists primarily of plant materials such as grasses, seeds, leaves, and flowers. They will also eat insects, small vertebrates, and occasionally carrion. In arid regions, ostriches obtain much of their water from the plants they consume, allowing them to survive in areas where water sources are scarce. Ostriches use their strong beaks to pluck food from the ground, and their powerful digestive systems allow them to break down tough plant material. They have a unique adaptation to help with digestion. They swallow small stones and pebbles, known as gastroliths, which help grind food in their gizzards. This process is essential for breaking down fibrous plant matter, as ostriches lack teeth. Reproduction and parenting. Ostriches have a polygynous mating system, meaning that dominant males will mate with multiple females. The breeding season varies depending on the region, but it typically occurs during the spring and summer months. Male ostriches establish and defend territories during this time, performing elaborate courtship displays to attract females. These displays involve the male bowing, flapping his wings, and making deep booming calls. Once a female has been attracted, the pair will mate, and the female will lay her eggs in a communal nest. This nest is a shallow depression in the ground, often lined with grass or leaves. A dominant female, known as the major hen, will lay her eggs first, followed by subordinate females. The major hen's eggs are typically placed in the center of the nest, where they are less vulnerable to predators. Ostrich eggs are the largest of any bird, measuring around 6 inches, 15 centimeters, in length and weighing between 3 and 5 pounds, 1.3 to 2.3 kilograms. Despite their size, the eggshells are relatively thin and can be easily damaged. Both the male and the major hen take turns incubating the eggs, with the male typically taking the night shift to protect the nest from nocturnal predators. After about 40 to 45 days of incubation, the eggs hatch, and the parents lead the chicks away from the nest. Ostrich chicks are precocial, meaning they are born with their eyes open and are able to walk and feed themselves shortly after hatching. However, they still rely on their parents for protection and guidance. The parents are fiercely protective of their young and will aggressively defend them against predators. Ostrich chicks grow rapidly, reaching adult size within a year.